Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So jumping right into the video, I'm starting off with detangling my hair because I just washed it. So I just want to make sure everything is thoroughly detangled. So once you finish detangling your hair, go ahead and start your LOC. You already know what I'm using. I'm going to use my Africa's Best Herbal Oil. I always use this because it's my staple. I love this oil. And then once you finish with your oil, go in with your leave-in conditioner, which is going to be the hair silk for me today. And then just massage that thoroughly in your hair to get every little strand that you have. Once I finish with that, I'm going to part my hair from ear to ear. Now you can part your hair however you want to. I just wanted to start that way myself. So once you finish parting your hair, you just section your hair with rubber bands so you could separate them. You could have little squares like I do, or you could have triangles or whatever you want. It's really up to you. Just make sure you part your hair and you section it off with rubber bands to separate it. So when you get to the front, do not make the same mistake that I did. I made the mistake of trying to keep them the same size as the sides, but when you get to the front of the crown, make them smaller than the sides, because what's going to happen is when you start to crochet, it'll be too poofy. That's what happened to me. So don't make my mistake and make sure that the crown part of your hair is smaller than the two sides. So the hair that I will be using today is the Janet Collection 2X Mambo Rockin Locs, number 1 in 20 inches. This hair was really cheap, y'all. So once you have all your hair sectioned and separated, go ahead and get your crochet needle and your crochet hair, and let's get started. So you're going to take your crochet needle, put it through your little section, and then you're going to loop the lock because it already has a little loop in there. And then you're only going to pull one strand, just one strand. That's it. So once you pull that one strand, you tighten it, make sure it's secure so that it does not come off, right? So then after you do that, you're just going to split your section of hair into two. Once you finish splitting it into two, you do like these little coils, or you just roll it around each other just to make sure it's separated. And then what's going to happen is you're going to put the needle through the lock, and then you're going to pull your section of hair through that lock. That's all you have to do. So you're going to put the needle through the lock, and then you're going to pull your hair in the lock so that it looks like it's your own hair, or just so it looks more camouflage, just so it can look a little bit better. So if your hair is longer than mine, you don't have to do the whole splitting part. You could just twist your one strand of hair and pull it through one strand and then cover the other strand with it. But if your hair is short like mine, then I recommend you do this, because if you just leave it as one and you don't split it, it'll be poofy, and you don't want it to be poofy because that's not cute. So I'm going to do it one more time. Pull only one strand. Once you finish pulling that one strand, you split it into two, the little finger coils to separate your hair, and then get your needle, put it through the lock, pull your hair in that lock, and that's it. That's all you got to do. And that is it, y'all. Now you can choose to leave your hair just like this. That's all good. That's just you. But I'm just gonna put like a little something, something, a little extra. So I'm just gonna put these little cuffs in there, and I'm gonna add the little string. Y'all, this string was a whole struggle because I could not figure it out. But anyways, that is it. That's all you have to do. You don't have to do this extra part. That was just me wanting to be extra. And that is it. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. And I'll see you next time.